Rubabe, Bikare Juju, Yinkono, Afoya Matek, and Atila did Megulu University, Madubu called a date, Anatidana Madubu called a date Megulu University, near Professor Pen George Dada, Alubu called a date Ruhakana Rugunda. Tikita Anatila Lukoreni, Talu Chancellor Megulu University, Enemy Waragani Abina Kwan, Dr. Wabit Wako report ni Kikwano. Anafoyo, Mina Kare, Pimani, Papa Kwano, Chibaro Dog teacher. Joyo Kileb Mono, the family of John Oriema LACAMBEL, condolence. We are deeply saddened by the passing of John Oriema LACAMBEL, a distinguished journalist, patriot and peace advocate, whose voice became a beacon of hope during the Lord Resistance Army insurgency in northern Uganda. Through his work on Mega FM, particularly his peace broadcast, he helped bridge the divide between those trapped in conflict and the communities awaiting their return. By conveying messages from families, traditional and religious leaders, political leaders, and the government of Uganda, he encouraged countless abductees and combatants to return home, assuring them of security, forgiveness, and integration into society. His deep understanding of the conflict, extensive contact, and commitment to peace also made a valuable contribution to the progress achieved during the Juba peace talk. Uganda owes a debt of gratitude to John LACAMBEL for his selfless service and his significant role in advancing peace, reconciliation, ending the conflict, and restoring peace and stability in northern Uganda. We extend our heartfelt condolence to his family, friends, colleagues, and the people of northern Uganda. May his soul rest in eternal peace. Ruhakana Rugunda. Waragane Kichwa, the Honorable Henry Okelorien, Ruhakana, Archbishop Udama, Bishop Ochola, Sheikh Musha Khalil, Ambassador Betty Bigombe, Honorable Windolo, Honorable Ogeala Tigu, Honorable Norbert Mao, Honorable Jimmy Akena, General Utema Wang, and Vice Chancellor of the University. For your attack. On behalf of the Ditwa Maloyo Gulu University, the Right Honorable Prime Minister Emeritus Dr. Ruhakana Rugunda, Gulu University Ukero, Alitmia Beach, Ibacha.